My name is Oluyami. I am the Deborah from Hope Academy School. We are here to make, I and my colleagues are here to make a presentation on the different chemistry apparatus and their uses. First of all, I'll start by defining what chemistry apparatus are. These are pieces of laboratory equipment which are used during practical work in the chemistry laboratory. Before I go on to show you the different chemistry apparatus and their uses, I'll give you some laboratory safety and precautions. Number one, do not eat or drink anything in the laboratory. Keep your hands away from the face, eyes, mouth, and body while using chemicals. Wear lab coats and other protective materials, e.g. gloves, nose mask, rubber shoe, and goggles during laboratory experiments. Try and maintain orderliness and decorum in the laboratory. Handle glassware and chemicals carefully, and do not remove any label from its container. Never add water to acid, but acid to water, and never point a test tube being heated to other students because of explosion. Clean or wipe up any traces of chemical on the bench. Now, I will hand over to my colleague to show us the different chemistry apparatus and their uses.
Okay, my name is Moses Abaji, and 2. The electronic weighing balance, used for measuring the mass of solids. 3. The triple beam balance, used for measuring solids with heavy mass. 4. The desiccator, used for drying samples in a dust-free environment. 5. We have the beaker. We have different sizes of the beaker, such as the 250 millimeters, the 500, and the 1000, and it is used for holding and pouring liquids. 6. We have the measuring cylinder. We have different sizes of the measuring cylinder, such as the 10 millimeters, the 50 milliliters, and the 1000 milliliters, and they are used for measuring volume of liquids or solutions. 7. We have the test tube, which is used for carrying out reactions in solutions. 8. We have the test tube rack, which is used for storing test tubes. 9. We have the test tube holder, which is used for holding test tubes. 10. We have the thermometer. This is used for measuring temperature. And 11. We have the spatula, which is used for fetching, mixing, and spreading samples. 12. We have the reagent bottles, used for storing reagents. 13. We have the wash bottle, which is used for storing distilled water. 14. We have the dropping bottle, which is used for dispensing small amounts of liquids. At this point, I'm going to be handing over to my colleague to continue with the description of the laboratory apparatus.
Thank you. Separating funnel. This is used for separating two immiscible liquids, example, kerosene and water. Burette. This is used for holding acid during titration. This one holding the burette is called rooted stand, and it is used for holding apparatus in frame position, example, as a support for burette during titration. The next one is chronicle flask, and it is used for holding titrants during titration. The next one is white. The next one is white tar, and it's used to provide a white surface to the titration mixture in the conical flask. The next is pipette, and it's used for holding the base during titration and for accurate measurement of specific volumes of solutions. The one housing the pipette is called pipette rack, and it is used for storing pipettes. This is
This is a tripod stand and it is used as a platform for supporting pickers or flags during fitting. The next one is wire gauge and is usually placed on the tripod stand to provide support for the glassware. And at this point, I'll now hand over to my classmate Shekwago to continue from where I stopped.
Thank you very much. Well, stirrer. The stirrer is used for stirring solution. Round bottom flask. This is used for boiling and mixing solution during chemical reaction. The next is the flat bottom flask. This is used for mixing solution. The next one is called distillation flask. Well, this is used for holding solution to be distilled. The next is Leydig condenser. This is used for cooling and condensing steam or hot vapor. This is a Bunsen burner. It is used for supplying heat. The next one is the funnel. This is used for every pouring of solution. This is a gas jar. It's used for collecting gas from equipment, from experiments. Tissue funnel. This is a tissue funnel and is used for the intermittent supply of liquids into reaction funnel. Now I'm going to hand over to our team leader to continue.
Thank you. Hoffman voltmeter. This is used for electrolyzing water into gases. For example, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. This is a pH meter. It is used for measuring the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. This is an evaporating dish. It is used for evaporating solvents. This is a crucible. It is used for heating samples at high temperature. This is a mortar and a pestle. We have two types, the ceramic type and the glass type. It is used for grinding and crushing solid samples. These are litmus papers. We use them for identifying acidic, basic, or neutral solution. This is a Petri dish. It is used for holding samples. These are volumetric flasks. They are of different sizes. We have the 500 millimeters, the 1000 millimeters, and the 2000 millimeters. They are used for preparing stock solution. This is a filter paper. It is used for separating insoluble solid from a liquid. This is a goggle and these are nose masks. They are used for safety and precautions. The goggle is used for protecting the eyes, while the nose mask is used for protecting the nose. Thank you. Our next experiment is going to be on separation techniques, and you see how all these chemistry apparatus are used.